Hello, everyone. My name is Zimol Fatima. I am your class teacher. Welcome to our classroom. Today, we are going to learn the letter A.
This is the letter A. The sound of letter A is ah, ah, ah.
Ah. Alligator. Alligator starts with the letter A. Ah. Acorn. Acorn starts with the letter A. Ah. Airplane. Airplane starts with the letter A. Ah. Ant. Ant starts with the letter A. Ah. Apple. Apple starts with the letter A. Great job, everyone! Today we learned the letter A and its sound, ah. We also learned apple, ant, airplane, acorn, alligator, anchor, and arrow. See you in the next class. Bye-bye!